Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining us today. In this short video demonstration, I'll show you how to deliver your Wix website to a client, including transferring ownership and handing off the website at the end of a job. There are two primary methods I'd recommend, both accessible on your site's dashboard. Navigate to the home page of your dashboard, then under the Site Actions drop-down menu, you'll find both options. If you click the drop-down arrow and select Transfer Site, a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the email of the new owner. You can choose to transfer the premium plan and domain and decide whether to keep your role as website manager. Alternatively, you can choose to add collaborators. Under Site Actions, select Add Collaborators, enter their email, and assign them a role such as designer or manager. You can also create custom roles with specific permissions. Once you've made your selections, send the invite, and you're done. If you need further support or want a complete rebuild or redesign of your site, you can contact Wix experts via the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to comment with any requests for future videos. Thanks for watching.